Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Thanks a lot for joining us. And if you have not been to this channel before, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it, please. So what we do here on this channel is I teach people how to use programs online doing affiliate marketing to make money, and I teach you guys for free here in step-by-step videos. Where you've arrived today is actually video number 4. Okay, so if this is your first time here on the channel, do me a favor, head over to video number 1, and then you guys can kind of learn what we're doing. But just as a quick to just show you kind of the potential of this real quick, this is what I've earned just the last 3.5 months with this platform. I'm just going to refresh it here so you guys can see. This is the last 2 weeks if you look up here, but let's go to the last year. That's 70,000 just over the last few months. And this is a great platform for beginners to use. That's why I'm putting this this training together, to show you exactly how I use it to start making money and how you guys can jump in and do it, okay? But you don't want to start on this video. You want to head back over there to the very first video, and video number 1. And on that video, if you guys check it out and you think, hey, this is going to be cool, I want to give this a shot, you know, this is a super cheap program to get involved with. It's 25 bucks to jump in. If you guys think, hey, I'm going to give this a shot, down in the video description, underneath the video is the video description. You'll see a little button there that says more or show more. You guys click that button. It's going to open up the video description. In that description, you're going to see a link at the very top of the description. It should say click here to get started. You guys click that link. That'll take you in. You can get started. You can jump right into this training and start moving along, okay? This is a really specific training. It works great for this platform, so I think you guys are going to really appreciate it. So we're going to jump into video number 4 today and carry on with our training, okay? So video number 4, right? Like I just said, we're actually just going to go ahead, and if you remember in the last video, we did the same thing. We were sending out our emails, our daily emails, writing them so that I could show you guys how to do it. We also set up our final paid traffic method, right? And it works really well. We got that all set up and ready to go if you wanted. And then we're going to just carry on with our emails today, okay? And this is the page, of course, that we're going to be using. If you guys forgot again how to get there, you want to go down here to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter, and you just want to click this link, and that's going to open up our page right here, okay? The other thing you need open is a document so that we can create our emails. You can go ahead and put subject and body, and you need your MLGS account opened up, okay? And you're just going to be at your home screen. Probably looks just like this. All right, so let's jump in here and try to find another email that we can use, and we're just going to look down here. Right here, we're going to do this. We're going to put proven, this one. This is going to be it. For body, proven multi-million-dollar sales system. And let's see what else we can find. Right here. Oops. I'm going to use this one. Get right now profits even if it's your first day. That's a good opening statement. Scroll down a little bit. Right here, this is perfect. This is great. I'm going to go paste this in here. The days of the hustle and grind and struggle for years to build a successful online business are over. And we're going to actually space this out a little bit more, because I like to have it at certain lengths. It kind of extends the email as well. Are over. Now let's find what else we can write. Right here. We're going to actually take this whole line, and we're going to add that to our... Oops. Nope, I'm not going to do that. Let's paste without formatting. And let's clean this up just a little bit. There we go. And then we're gonna, I'll read it to you guys in just a second, but let's just get this finished up here. Join here. Let's go join here. Or click here to learn more. Sometimes you have to be direct. Click here to learn more. Otherwise, if you just put learn more, they may not know to click there, and I'm not being funny there. That's the truth. So the other thing that we're going to do, we'll put blessings. And you know, if you want to use your real name, you can, but if you don't want to, you can use whatever name you want. It doesn't matter what name you're using. It really doesn't matter what name you use. You can use whatever you want. Let's go back over here to our link, grab our link. So all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to copy our link back over here, and we're just going to paste that link in right here. Right click, insert link, paste the link, hit apply. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and grab our personalization. We're going to click on our mailing system on MLGS. Go down here to where it says first name. Copy that. Paste it there. There we go. So it says, hey, first name, get right now profits, even if it's your first day online. The days of the hustle and grind and struggle for years to build a successful online business are over. The world's first all-in-one $25 digital business is the new, smarter, faster way to step into an immediately profitable business online so you can see results in as little as 24 hours. Click here to learn more. Blessings. Right? That's perfect. That is a perfect email. That's going to work. That's going to work great. So we're going to go ahead and copy that subject line. We're gonna go up here to the top of our mailing system. We're gonna hit select all. We're gonna go to subject line. We're gonna paste in our subject line. We're gonna go down here, and we might as well just delete this stuff while we have the time. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna grab our body, copy that back over to the mailing system, and we're gonna hit Control V, paste it in. We can remove that space there between the two. Click on perfect timing, of course. Perfect timing just means that it's going to send it when the people who we're sending it to are more, there's a better chance of them opening it at that time. It can read when they're opening their emails, so it knows when to send those emails, okay? And then we just click the little send button. It's going to be right down here on the bottom right. Go ahead and send that, and you're good to go. Then go ahead and, of course, send the next ones. You should have, you know, at least another few more accounts. I use 5 accounts again of this MLGS, so I suggest 5, but maybe you can't get that. If you can, that's great. If not, try to at least get 2 or 3 accounts that you can send from, because that's going to speed things up dramatically for you. Okay, it's going to make a huge difference. Double, triple, quadruple, even 10 times what you have coming in. Okay, so you can start off slow if you have to, 1 at a time, and then just kind of ramp your way up if you need to, whatever works. But I would just jump in and get it going. Okay, that's just how I do things. But that's going to be it for today. Okay, we're just going over the quick email for the day. We already went and added our other paid method the other day, so that's a good, that's good to let just run. And now we have this running as well. We have quite a bit going on here, but this is just quick and fast every day. I wanted to make this video a little quicker to show you guys how fast you should be able to do this every single day. We're under 10 minutes and we're basically finished for the day. That's all we had to do. Okay. So let's go ahead and end the video now. Thanks a lot for watching. If you got anything out of this, do me a favor, leave a thumbs up on that. If you have any questions, reach out, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified by the next video. Thanks a lot. I will talk to you later.